Now let's consider a function very similar to this example, except we're going to let the function be negative 2e to the negative 2t plus 8e to the negative 3t. So our function is going to be x of t equals negative 2e to the negative 2t plus 8e to the negative 3t. Without going into a lot of discussion, it should be pretty clear that the graphs of these two component functions are going to behave something like this. The 8e to the negative 3t function is just what we saw previously. It decreases rapidly toward the t-axis, but starting at a value of 8. The function negative 2e to the negative 2t is going to approach more slowly, in the sense of approaching, taking longer to approach within that 37% distance, so that this function will look something like this. And somewhere around here, this function is as well, a little further than that, maybe around here. This function will be as close to the axis as this function. This function will become as close to the axis as this one. And I didn't locate that position very well. It'll be somewhere around here, where this function is as close to the x-axis as this one. Now, it's important to understand that that's going to happen because it's at this point that the sum of these functions is going to become negative. The result being a graph that starts out a little bit lower than this one. Let's just draw these. Well, that's not. The graph is going to come down like so, but it's going to then cross the axis and come back asymptotic from below.